Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel CognitiveCoders. So today in this video we'll see how to get list of UDF from a Spark session. Okay, so I have already spoken about the UDF function, how to create the UDF function in a Spark session and how to utilize it in our Spark activities. Okay, if you have not gone through the video, please go and watch it first because this is the prerequisite video of today's video. Okay, so coming to our video, so how to get the list of UDF. So you have registered many functions based on your requirements. So now you don't remember. So the one of the function the is registered or not. There are how many functions is registered there, or some specific function is registered or not. Uh, you need to see it. So in that case what you will do, so in that case you can use this you can use this list of UDF, okay, to see the function is registered or not. Okay, so basically what I will do here today, so first I will register one function, multi-fund, for the multiplication purpose. Okay, multi-fund. Okay, so here I will pass two arguments for multiplication. Okay, it will return the result as x into y. Okay, so my function is ready. So it's a ready function. Okay, so now I will register it using UDF. So yeah, I have already shown you in my 35 video that how to this video that how to register one function, and all the details I have given here. Please go and watch it. Now I can't tell here because video will be lengthy then. Okay, so I'm registering this function. So spark.udf.register, using this you can register your function in this session. Okay, for using it this will be your registered name, and this will be your function, which function you want to register. Okay, you can give this name in any name you can give. Okay, whatever you want. Okay, I'm giving here multi. Okay, so my function is registered. Okay, now for seeing the list that the function, how many functions I have registered and how many sessions have session also get provided. सेशन ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड अस सम फंक्शंस. ओके, तो सेशन भी बहुत सारा फंक्शन प्रोवाइड करता है, वो भी हम लोग लिस्ट पे देख सकते हैं. ठीक है, यहाँ पे so using this spark.catalog.list function thing, we can see our registered functions. Okay, the functions are getting stored in catalog. Okay, the Spark catalog, it will be getting stored, so we can see it from here. So now if I will run this cell, it will print all the user defined registered function. Okay, you can see here there are lots of functions. Okay, all the functions name are there. Okay, so now if I want to see my recently registered function, which is multi, the name is multi I have given here. So what I need to do, I need to use the if condition here. If sorry, if I dot name equals to multi, okay, then it will return the function. Next, I'm running it. Okay, you can get it. My function is already registered. So in this way I can see if I have any kinds of doubt that this function is registered or not. I can see it from my functions list. Okay, UDF functions list. But if I will if if someone just close the session, if I will detach my cluster and once again connect with it, so session will get interrupted. So in this case, if I will go like this, I'm not getting my UDF function. Okay, so in this case my registered function will gone. Okay, so once again I need to register it and I'll get it. This is called the station storage. So function जो है उसको that will get stored in session, not in cluster level. Okay, is temporary is true, you can see here. तो ये temporarily session में store हो रहा है. If you close the session, the thing also get deleted. Okay, the function will get deleted. Once again you need to register it in this session. Okay, so I think you have understood the concept. If you have any doubt, you can comment on the video comment section. I'll get back to you, or you can ping, you can join our CognitiveCoders Telegram channel for getting the updates and all. We have WhatsApp channel also. You guys can join. All the important links have given in the video description. Okay, you can go and join the channels, and you can get in touch with us. We are continuously uploading the videos, the interview question videos, and PySpark real-time scenario videos. There are lots of playlists we are adding continuously, and please support us. Please share the videos with your friends, because YouTube is not recommending us much as we are new. Okay, please support us. You guys support is really much required to grow our channel. Okay, continuously uploading this interview videos, real-time scenario videos, that is very much useful for you guys. Okay, please go and watch these videos. Don't skip the videos, because if you will skip, then पूरा आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा. The whole details thing that will not get understand by you. Okay, so if you are a new, please go through the videos. I can assure you you will get much benefit from this. And if you have any colleagues who want to learn the Databricks thing, PySpark thing, please join our channel. Please recommend them to join our channel to learn these things. All the things are fully free, no need to pay anything. Okay, so thank you for watching our video, and thanks for joining. Bye.